Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm running to be your next union chairperson. My three main goals are safety, engagement and affordability. First, I want to spike-free ABBA. Do not just only spike-free in the town, but also spike-free on campus and campus events. Secondly, I want a more engaged Senate. Senate is a place where you can voice your opinions and voice problems, but I would like it to be more engaged, more transparent, so more people are engaged with the Senate itself. And it should be your voice, not mine. Third is that ABBA should be a more affordable place. I know it's already an affordable place as it is, but I think our students should not be making a choice between buying food or going to a SU event for having more skills on the CV to get more jobs in the future. So, vote for Thomas, vote for a better ABBA. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Rowan. My pronouns are he, they. I am running for Trans and DNC officer. I would like to secure funding for the Beyond the Binary campaign going forwards, and I would like to work with local groups to strengthen our sense of community and support.
Hi, my name is Kyra Ellis. I'm standing to be your Environmental and Sustainability Officer. Why me? I have always had a passion for nature and I want to give the earth a louder voice, hence why I'm studying wildlife conservation. I've done volunteering work for the RSPB and the Wildlife Trust, so best believe I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty. If you want someone who's enthusiastic, driven and dedicated to conserving nature, then you should vote for me.
Hello, my name is Josh and I'm running for Environmental Sustainability Officer. And I'm running for this role because I have a passion for the environment and I'd like to be the voice for students' environmental concerns at Aberystwyth University.
Hi, I'm Tasha. I am currently in my second year studying marketing and business management.
Hi, I'm Ava and I'm a first year studying biomedical science and we are running for the Student Union Women's Officer.
As part of our current efforts, we are running an anti-spiking campaign and we plan on continuing this into next year if we are voted in, as well as other campaigns such as women's health advocacy.
We have so many great ideas and we'd love your votes so we are able to implement them as well as implement what you have to say.
Not only are we working together, but we also plan on working with other volunteer officers to provide a voice for as many students as possible.
We would love your votes so that we continue with all of this and be the voice for the women of Aber.
Hi, I'm Jess. I'm a second year English and Creative Writing student and I'm running for Women's Officer. I believe Aberystwyth is a safe place for women to be, but I want to make sure that it's a much safer place for women to enjoy as well. I'm doing a walk soon to identify dangerous places within Aberystwyth to help make it a more safe and comfortable place for women to be, especially late at night. I want to focus on trans women. Since last year, there was an uptake in the annual diversity report of 4.3% of trans students dropping out. And I want to make sure that trans women feel comfortable and supported within Aberystwyth Uni. Likewise, I want to give a platform to women of colour so that they get their voices heard. It can be a pretty scary place to be a woman of colour in this society, and I want to make sure that they're feeling supported within university too. Overall, I would just want to make sure that Aberystwyth is safer and a happier place for women to be.
Hi there, my name is Jack Squire and I'm applying to be the Independent Students Officer. One of the most important things I think face independent students today is the fact that there is not enough education around to support them. Independent students are often an overlooked subsection of society where there isn't enough training or education around to teach people what needs to be done in order to support them. So if I am elected as the Independent Students Officer, I will work to ensure that both the student body and the university are better versed in the needs and wants of independent students to ensure that they can have the best possible time at university. Thank you.